What kind of mold are we making?
A waste mold.
Waste mold. What's this first step?
Just getting a slab of clay.
Okay, do it. What are we doing now?
Taking this bolt.
Okay.
And pushing it into the clay.
It looks like a baby could do this.
Yep.
And that's the impression?
Yep.
Okay. Daryl, what's the high-tech polymer you're using to cast these impressions with?
Hot glue.
Hot? Okay. That's not as impressive as it sounds, is it?
Oh, it is.
Why are you using hot glue?
Because it's fast.
Nice. And it's been raining for 5 days, so it's super humid. We're gonna bust these out so fast, you guys are gonna be so impressed. So, how does this work now?
So you just press it in, shoot the hot wax.
But you destroyed your mold.
And pull it out. Yeah, it's a waste mold. Nuts and bolts.
Nuts and bolts. So what do we do next?
We clean them.
Okay.
And paint them.
All right, that's step 5. Perfect. Those are rad. So now we're cleaning?
Yes.
All right. Oh, beautiful. They look really like hot glue.
They really look like hot glue. Care for a mint?
Now we're going to see a transformation from hot glue to cold metal. Oh my goodness! Those are fantastic. All right, these have been all rusted and are ready to get installed. Really, maybe a little coat of some black spray paint to put a little
Yeah.
a little more color on them. But
Yeah.
Whoa, that's hot glue. Wild, right? And here's our finished project. Boo, boo, boo. Everything had to be really flat, but we wanted a little dimension. Check those out. Those look pretty good, right? Nice job, Daryl.